So in the couple years that I've been running these dingoes, never had this happen, but I actually had a roller come off of this track here. So you can see that one came off. There's 5 on each side. So not only did that one come off, but so did this one. Now, that one is actually important. So, get this thing out of the way. You can see that with that one being gone, whenever I would go over a rock or anything that would bend the track right here, it would scrape it. So, at some point, this would end up really screwing me over. So this was needed. Your tracks can come off. You could probably bend something down here. You could just break something. You just need to fix these. So, these were 50 bucks a piece on eBay. What I did was just buy 2 more. So, not that complicated, and they should not be too hard to install. First thing I just got to make sure is that they're the same. You know, they're all the same. Bearing inside of here should be pretty straightforward. So this is what we find when we take a good one off. There should be just a little nub right here and just a bolt that holds everything on. So you can see this roller actually broke. The bearing fell out on the inside. Where, come over here, this one almost looks as if it ripped out the welds where the bolt goes into. So I'm gonna have to through bolt it with a bolt. So I know for a fact that I don't have one of these that is this size or longer, so I'm gonna have to go get one. But this side, look, it already has the bolt, so I can just unbolt that. Should be able to slide the new one right on. Need more power. Okay, big guy should be able to take this right off. Oh yeah. So, it looks like this just fell out of the old roller. So, as simple as that, should be able to take this thing. It looks like these are sealed bearings. Get all that crap off and plop it right on. And now it's pretty much in line. I can just bolt it right in. That's simple. And this this kit that I bought even comes with a nice little cap right there, and then a snap ring to hold that in. So that way crud doesn't get in there and fill it up like what usually happens to here. You can see this one actually has it, and it looks like it's newer than the ones behind here. So the person before me most likely had this same problem. Okay, so I just got a long bolt right here that should space out perfectly.
Okay, so this is me grinding off the old welds because the roller would not sit flush.